Andrew.
And I'm Chris. And this is Haltech Garage. So this is going to be a behind the scenes look at the stuff that goes on in the Haltech USA Garage.
Anything from dyno runs, guest appearances, wild cars, installs, how-tos.
Also give you a behind the scenes look at some of the events that we attend.
Anything like Formula Drift, Haltech World Cup Finals.
Grid Life!
Grid Life, yeah, that's a big one. Let's do a quick walkthrough of the rest of the building and the shop here at Haltech USA.
Hey Andrew.
Hey Chris. Quick walk around of the place. This is kind of a cool hall of memories kind of area. All of our old ECUs, all the way to the new ECUs. One of the cool things you see when you first walk in is this V12 LS. Run by an Elite 2500. Makes vroom noises. So we've also got the sales and tech, or the sales office now.
Hi Vic.
Good morning, gentlemen. How's it going today?
Kind of a little hall of memories, a bunch of our cars that have done well with our products on them. Here you've got Josh.
What up?
This is the man you'll talk to if you have a repairs request. Through this door we've got the warehouse. Look at this guy. This is Jordan.
What's up?
He's our shipping, receiving, and dispatch guy. And welcome to Haltech Garage.
Haltech USA
HUSA.
HUSA Garage.
Hashtag.